What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you're subscribed so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? Let's get into the news. The first story of the day comes from Samsung. So if you go on Samsung's website and buy the Galaxy Note 9, their newest promo is double trade-in value for most phones, or some phones that you probably have. The biggest one being the Galaxy S9 Plus. So if you have the Galaxy S9 Plus, the market value on the street is like $550. After you take out fees and things, depending upon where you sell it, you're down to about maybe 500 or you know, high 400, something like that. Well, you can get $600 trade-in for your Galaxy S9 Plus, and all you have to send them is the phone. That's it, just the phone. You don't have to send them the charger or the box or anything like that. You can keep all that stuff. Just send them the phone and get $600 off the price of a Galaxy Note 9, have it be the 128 or the 512 gigabyte version. And that includes their newest color, silver. So if you want to get the new silver phone for Galaxy Note 9, you'll get up to $600. And then some iPhones as well. The 8, I think it was the 8 Plus and the X all get $600 as well. So big time trade-in values right now for some phones if you want to get the Galaxy Note 9. I'm actually contemplating, because I've been lazy about selling it, my S9 Plus, to trade that in and maybe get the silver version of the Galaxy Note 9, just the 128 with 6 gigabytes of RAM, and just get that one just to, you know, be able to try it out and stuff like that. Compare it to the 8 gigabyte 512 storage version that I have currently. I don't know, just a thought I was thinking about. What do you guys think? Are you guys gonna head on into this trade-in or what? Also remember, if you do eBates, which I have a link down below, you'll get $10 just for signing up when you buy the Galaxy Note 9, but you'll also get 3% cash back on the purchase. So you can make pretty good coin right there just by buying the phone and saving a whole bunch of money with your trade-in. And the last story of the day is about the Pixel 3 XL. It has been leaked again. Another unboxing slash kind of review video, and this guy shows off everything. He shows off what comes in the box, which we've already seen. You get the phone, you also get those Google wired headphones, which should have Google Assistant built into them. Also gives off what the camera's gonna look like when you take a photo. He shows multiple photos already, and then he also shows off the specs of the phone. What can you expect spec-wise? He also shows off the active edge, which is gonna be when you squeeze that phone and Google Assistant pops up, and he shows off, you know, basically, again, everything about this phone. So if you wanted to know anything about this phone, you can watch that video. I'll link it down below. It's in Chinese, I guess it is, but so if you don't know Chinese, you might have a tough time, but it's cool just to watch the video and get a better idea of what the phone looks like. And also shows a picture of the Pixel 3 XL next to the new iPhone XS Plus, so you can get a better look at what those two phones look like in case you were trying to compare them and contrast as well. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. My question out to you guys is, at this point right now, even though you might have just gotten a new phone like a Galaxy Note 9 or a new iPhone, which phone are you waiting to get next? What's going to get you out of that phone? Is it the Galaxy S10? Is it the new Pixel phone? Is it next year's iPhone or next year's Note 10 or maybe some other phone? Let me know in the comments down below which phone you plan on getting next. For me, Pixel 3 XL, that's the phone I'm going to definitely get next. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you down the road. Peace!